Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be looking at the best 3D printers for jewelry making. This 3D printer can be used in any condition, and you can make any jewelry with it because the 3D printer is so precise. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've listed the top 5 3D printers for jewelry making. These printers offer high output with minimal wastage and are perfect for creating intricate and beautiful jewelry pieces. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the official FLSUN V400 3D printer. Introducing the reigning jewelry making champion, meet the official FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer, your ultimate creative companion. This cutting-edge gem boasts many mind-blowing features that will leave you mesmerized. Prepare to be swept off your feet by the lightning-fast printing capabilities of the FLSUN V400. With a blazing speed of 400 mm per second and acceleration of over 8,000 mm/s superscript 2, it will have your intricate designs materializing in no time. Equipped with Clipper firmware and a nifty double-drive wire feeding structure, this beauty ensures precision and extrusion force of up to 70 N. But wait, there's more! Say hello to the FLSUN Speeder Pad, a 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen that comes pre-installed with a range of special firmware, including Clipper, Moonraker, Mainsail, Clipper Screen, Webcam, and more. Now, let's talk about its unique robotic arm design. Constructed using 3K grade materials, the FLSUN V400 combines high-strength carbon fiber rods, aerospace aluminum housing, and POM bearing wear resistance. With its self-developed leveling algorithm, this 3D printer is a pro at compensating for machining errors through 25 points, ensuring flawless first layers. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.